हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज कोई ब्लॉग्स नहीं जा रहा है। आज आई विल बी गिविंग यू सम ऑफ द टिप्स ऑफ हाउ टू वेयर अ साड़ी फॉर द बिगिनर्स एंड एज वेल सम मिस्टेक्स दैट वी जनरली मेक while wearing a saree, while draping a saree. So without any further ado, let's get started. First you check out how to wear a saree, then we'll get back to you with the tips of not making any kind of mistake while wearing a saree. So this is the saree. You can see a fall downstairs, and from the right you have to tuck in this. From the right I have tucked. From your side it will look like from the left side, but no, it is from the right. And then you have to take a round and you have to tuck the saree all over in a very tight way so that it don't come out and your hips look very slim. Now next hold the another side of saree and it will turn into a pallu. So first take the pallu, just do the rough kind of a pleats and put it around your waist and then to the chest part and then to the shoulder. Now you can see there is a saree which is there in the middle of your waist, the left hand side and the right hand side. Now from the left hand side, from your left hand, take the sarees and put it like this and tuck it with a pin in a slanting way so that the fall will look very neat and clean. I repeat, it's from the left hand side of the fabric. In the video you are looking at the video and it is looking like from the right hand side, but no, from your left hand side you have to do. Now the another part, from your right hand side, take the saree and try to make a pleats from your first index finger and thumb finger, with the help of thumb finger and little finger. I'll tell you to how to make a pleats in the next vlog. Then slowly make a pleats properly, very neatly. Properly you need to make the pleat neatly, and in the last pleat you have to hold the saree and make a pleat, and the first pleat that is there, the beginning of the pleats, you have to leave that pleat just as it is, and rest you have to tuck in with the waist. From the navel point of your waist you have to tuck it in. You see, I am pleating the first pleats, but it is not coming very neatly, so I left the pleat and the rest I have tucked in with my waist from the navel point. See, and the pleat that I have left, the first pleat that I left, I will tuck that into my back part of the saree very neatly and adjust the saree pleating. Looks like very neat and clean. A straight line should be there. There won't be any wrinkle or anything like that coming up. Now you will see how neat and clean it is. The left hand side part of the saree borders looks so neat and clean. The pleats are so proper and the saree is very clear. And for the beginners, I will suggest you to wear a crepe material or synthetic material so that the fall will come automatically. Don't try to go for cotton saree or Banarasi kind of saree or any kind of silk, because you have to take a little practice to wear the sarees. So before practicing, for the initial stage, you just take this kind of a material. That is the reason why I have taken this material. Now for the pallu side. Now I have taken the pallu and I am doing the pleats from left side to right side, making a very small size of the pleats that will look very nice, very elegant. The more smaller the size of the pleats, the more chic you will look. Otherwise you tend to look very older. The broad pleats doesn't look very nice, rather it will not look so good. But if you can make a small pleats, it will look very classy and very elegant. Now I have arranged the pleats in a proper way. Then I will put it in my chest part. First I will tuck it in with my blouse, with my inner garments, the part I have hold, first I will do that, then I will adjust my front part. And this is how it will look, very neat, very proper and very comfortable way. You can sit, you can do anything with this saree, but it will not come out. If you find this blog very informative and very interesting, then hit that big like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment down in my comment section how did you like. And if you have any kinds of confusion wearing a saree, then do reach out to me. I'll tell you the best way, the easiest way how to drape it. So guys, I think you have seen it and you have liked it. So some of the tips I will be sharing with you, that the main, so guys, first thing first, the big border saree. If you are selecting big border sarees, then go for a simple kind of a blouse which has got no work, no embroidery and nothing, so that the saree will enhance their look and it will look very trendy. And I have been experienced over like 11 to 13 years in this styling field into films and fashion industries. While with my experience, I have learned many things about styling, and after my marriage I tend to wear the sarees more often. So with my experience, I will be sharing and I will be giving you some of the tips which will look great, where celebrities wear such kind of a saree and they look very good and they look very elegant also. So the next tip is all about there is a kind of a trend कि like अभी इस trend पे ये blouse आया है, in that trend some other kind of a blouse will be there. कभी किसी का डोरीज है, कभी किसी का cutouts है. So don't wear the trendy that are coming into the trend. Don't wear those dresses, those blouse which are often coming and going out of trend. Rather you take some of the blouse which are universal, जो सबके साथ more often किसी भी कलर्स के साथ पहन सकते. Okay, now the third tip is that if you are taking a big border saree, try to make a small pleats. जितना आप small pleats बनाओगे, that will look more classy, more elegant and more stylish. And अगर आपका साड़ी कोई light color का है and you suppose you have a light pink color shades, so go for the contrast colors और थोड़ा सा शेड डिफरेंस में. अगर आपका साड़ी लाइट पिंक है तो गो फॉर डार्क पिंक कलर ब्लाउज, इट विल लुक वेरी नाइस, वेरी एलिगेंट. जैसे सेलिब्रिटीज़ लोग सब कोई पहनते हैं, इस तरीके से पहनते हैं. यू आर वेयरिंग heavy embroidered blouse with a saree, then please don't wear a heavy saree so that it won't look nice. You have to complement either of the option. If you're wearing a very heavy embroidered saree, then go with a plain blouse, and थोड़ा जो जितना सारा वर्क है वो भी चल जाता है, लेकिन try to go with a simple sub. More videos will be coming up for saree draping, and I will be telling you about, I will be rather showcasing you about more sarees drapes and how to wear saree like a Bengali, how to wear sarees normally for a cocktail party. All will come one by one. If you like my blog, then hit that big like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends who all are news and beginners. And I cannot able to do a professional kind of shoot because my room is a toddler's room and I cannot able to make things organized, but I will do it definitely slowly, steady. Till then, अगर आपको ये vlogs अच्छा लगता है, then please tell me in my comment section. You must have seen many of my recipes and you have loved me so much and have supported me.